sea islands. Isn't this beautiful? Yeah. Okay, look at this here. But this here the life in the sea islands too. Right here. But you can't go where you want to go. You're stuck right here because why? Y'all see that? The bridge open. Y'all see the person coming up? See right there? That ain't usually too good a sign because sometimes that means they done hang up the thing and can't get it for turn back in. So look here. Lisa, are you sitting and you waiting? Over yonder right there. See them house will look like plantation house? Down with that red top, that new building. That one been built in more recent time, but it have to look like the old time plantation building like them right there. And the one with they cross the other side, see? But then see right all of this here. This is a beautiful. And right yonder, done annexing that the ladies out across yonder, where Beaufort, the city of Beaufort and the town of Port Royal, they on Port Royal out. Y'all see all the traffic that's there? See that? See that? See that? That only when the bridge catch me. But even while we there out here, got some beautiful things to see. So this year, is the land of the Gullah Geechee. God bless all 100 children. Everybody, the Gullah Geechee Nation. Yeah, this year what we fighting for. To live this year life somewhere. Y'all see that lead thing there? Now that lead board you wanna hold up all the way just now. See the bridge are closed? So let me get in the car now. Take care everybody. Be safe out there.